Cash App see your transaction if you delete the app? Yes, Cash App can still see your transaction history if you delete the app. Deleting the app only removes the software from your phone. Your data stays saved on Cash App's servers. Now, if you'd like to completely remove your data, you must officially close your account through the app settings. And before doing that, you have to transfer all remaining funds to your linked bank account immediately, liquidate any remaining stock portfolios or investment balances, and sell or transfer all remaining Bitcoin to an external crypto wallet. Once you do that, you can proceed for the account deletion. Before jumping on that, let me tell you, since I can't access the Cash App or website in my region, I'll be using screenshots and official information from Cash App to walk you through the process. So to delete your account, what you have to do is open the Cash App, then now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to privacy and security, then select close your Cash App account, and then confirm by tapping close account at the bottom. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.